Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to slice an onion into rings. It's super easy, but there's a few little tricks that I think you're going to appreciate. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, we have two parts of the onion. We have the root and we have the stem. We're going to cut the stem part off, and then we're going to peel our onion, removing every little piece. Okay, so now you just have to slice the rings. Now, the thickness of the rings depends on what you're gonna do with it. Onion rings, you know, not the onion rings that are fried, but onion rings are great for caramelizing. So if you're gonna caramelize them, you probably want a thickness that's about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thickness, because it's gonna really cook down. But if you're maybe putting them in a salad, you might want something that's around 1/8 of an inch in thickness. So what you're gonna do is you take a little bit of a slice, just on the side, and slice that off. This way, you can set the onion flat and it doesn't move. It stays in place, right? It's not gonna move around. Then you can slice off those rings super easy. You just go ahead and cut those off. Easy as that. I'm gonna go ahead and caramelize these onions because I love caramelized onions. I like them in omelets, on top of pizza. I like them on veggie burgers, everywhere. They are super. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you wanna see, drop a comment. I'm always looking for new ideas and ways to show you guys how to cook. And if you love to cook as much as I do, subscribe. I release new videos every single week. I'll see you guys next time.